Hi, hello and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Veronica and I'm a big lover of makeup, so if you want to see more reviews, looks and more fun videos, don't forget to subscribe. In today's video we are creating this eye look and I'm gonna use some cream products, so if you're curious about that, please keep on watching. Hi guys, so in today's video we are gonna test some eye products, so that's the reason you are so zoomed in. And I have all my makeup done except my eye makeup, so I will list down below everything that I have on my face. So for today I have the About Face fluid eye paint and I have the shade Smoke Signal, and this one is the dark green. It looks amazing. I'm very excited about it. I have the Danessa Myricks Infinite Chrome Flakes and I have the shade Lighting Bold, and then I have the NYX Ultimate Eye Paint in the shade Sun Gaze, and I did a first impression on this one with a short, but we are gonna use it probably today again. And then I have a split liner, and this one is from Glisten Cosmetics and I have the shade Grapevine. I don't have any primer on my lids because I want to see how these are blending. So let's start with the About Face one. This retails for 26 euros. I'm gonna let you know the prices from Beauty Bay because I bought all of these products there. So I will place just a bit of product and I will just take a brush and blend it out and see how the pigment is. I just received these products today except the NYX one. That one I bought last week in store, but it's available on Beauty Bay, so I could tell you the price from there. Let's build this one up a tiny bit. I'm wondering if I could do a wing with this paint from About Face because the NYX one doesn't work for liners. It only works as eyeshadow. This is pretty easy to blend out because it's a cream product and you can build it up, so far so good. I'll take this clean refer brush and just blend a bit the edges. I'm putting just a tiny bit on the lower lash. So this is how it looks. It's not my best blend, but that could be very easily user error. So I like the product so far. It's pretty easy to blend out and you can build it up pretty easily, so I like it so far. I put just a tiny bit of yellow and I'm taking a small brush and I will apply the yellow in here. It looks neon green right now, so that's a bit unexpected, but I really like that. Okay, so this looks a lot better right now. I really like that you can just add a bit of product and blend it out, and it doesn't matter that the rest of the layers are already dry, so I really like this. It seems very easy to use. So now I'm wondering if I could use this split liner, or let's just use it. But I'm gonna use the lighter purple just because it will contrast better with my green shadow. So the Glisten split liner retails for around 6 euros and the NYX one it's 11 euros. I'm gonna take this very tiny liner brush and I will use some spray on it. And let's see how that is working because this is my first water activated liner, so I really don't know how to work with it. Okay, the hardest line is down. I will finish the liners and be right back. Please don't ask me what I did because I don't even know. I started with the lighter shade and then I decided that I want to see how the other one looks, so I did add a bit on the wing. But yeah, with mascara and lashes I'm sure that it will look more normal, but right now it looks very crazy with two purples, yellow and green. But we are here to test things, so I want to use the Danessa Myricks now, and look at this. It looks amazing, and actually it has some green, purple in it, so it will match pretty well. And this retails for around 27 euros, so pretty expensive. as well as this one. Pretty expensive, but let's see how it works. It looks like this, but it looks a bit dry. I will take my finger and apply it on the back of my hand. Oh, it's not dry, but it's like a gelée formula. Let's put a bit. Oh, wow. It looks very nice. I'm very excited. I will apply it with my finger. Okay, I will put it all over because it has a clear base. So I don't think I want a lot of product. I will put it on the other eye and then maybe I will add just in here a bit more with a brush. Look at it, it's so weird. It's so sticky and wet. I hope this one dries down, but it's very interesting formula. I'm taking a bit more on the brush and I will just... Okay, for sure you can build it up, but I think it looks better just applied, like scattered everywhere. It looks very interesting, but do I like it? That's the real question, and I don't know the answer. I'm gonna let this one dry, but let's apply some inner corner highlight. This is the MAC Soft and Gentle, and I'm gonna put it right here and a bit under the brow. I'm gonna buy some mascara and some lashes and a purple on the waterline, and hopefully this will be dried down. Okay, so this is the final look. Is this my best eye look ever? Probably not, but after lashes and everything I do like it better than before. So I'm gonna include all of these products in a speed review, but let's have a quick chat about them. For this one, it's not a first impression, so I do have a more clear opinion about it. First thing, this is limited edition, just so you know. If you use this one as a cream or a liquid shadow, for that it's pretty nice. You can blend it out pretty easily. It is pretty pigmented, so in that regard it's pretty nice, but you can't use this one as liner. So considering that, do you need a separate product that's only one shade, or you could just use matte powder shadow? I don't know about that. I do like it, I'm gonna use it, but I don't really recommend it. I don't think it's necessary. Then we have the About Face eye paint. This is pretty pigmented, it works pretty good, I do like it. I like the applicator better on this one because you can just apply it on your eyelids. For the next one I need to put it on the back of my hand. This is a lot more expensive than the next one, but I think this has a lot more shades. But I want to test this one as liner as well, because if it doesn't work as a liner, I don't think it's worth it. The split liner I do like, it's pretty pigmented and easy to apply. I'm gonna test it of course a lot more, but so far I do like it. And then we have the Infinite Chrome from Danessa Myricks. I don't know what to think about this product because it's pretty easy to apply. It is dried down right now, so it's not sticky, but I could feel it on the lids, and I don't know. This one as well, it's pretty expensive. 27 euros is a lot of money, but it looks interesting on the eyes. I do like the effect on the eyes. I think I would like it better with another shimmer underneath, but yeah, I need to test this one more, maybe just by itself on the lids and on top of other shimmers. I put it on my hand and it doesn't move, so this at least should be long wearing. I do like it for now, but I need to test it in different situations to see if I do really want to recommend it or if it's just okay. Okay, so this was the video. If you like it and you want to see more from me, please subscribe and give it a like, and I will see you next time.